And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Welcome back to Channel 5 News this morning. It is 6:43. Beautiful start to the day. A little warm, a little humid. We'll get to that in a minute. And for now, enjoy this beautiful sunrise out there on the horizon. Officially, the sun will rise at 7. So now we're starting to see that horizon light up in the pinks and the purples. A little bit of gold out there. Beautiful start to the day. Temperatures? Yeah, a little warm, okay? So a little warm, a little humid, a little breezy. 82 degrees with that southerly wind, pumping in that lower level moisture at about 12 miles per hour. So you feels like temperatures this morning, mid to lower 90s out there, folks. Yeah, it feels like around mid-morning already, and that's because of that continued high humidity. It's not going anywhere. Factor all this into your afternoon forecast. You have to add 5 or 10 degrees to the actual high temperature. I'll get to that in a second. South to southeast winds right now between 12 and 18 miles per hour, still gusting near 21 and 25 miles per hour in Weslaco and McAllen. Now, the wind over the next few hours will take a nice little dip, so it will lighten up for a brief moment before picking back up mid-morning. We'll have wind speeds today 12 to 22 miles per hour, gusting up near 30 miles per hour for the afternoon. The heat is going to be widespread again today. So much like the weekend, we're going to see triple-digit heat, well above average for this time of year. Nothing record-breaking, but it sure will feel like it because of that continued high humidity. So here's a look at the setup across Texas. Lots of rain to our north, kind of making its way southbound, but it's not coming here to the valley. We have too much dry air in the atmosphere to allow for that to happen. Over the next couple of days, we will see an uptick in moisture, and we will eventually see a shower or thunderstorm return to the forecast by about midweek. That has a lot to do with what's happening in the tropics this morning. So let's take a look here at the latest with Tropical Storm Franklin currently approaching the Yucatan Peninsula. It will impact the east coast by early tomorrow morning, moving across the peninsula into the Bay of Campeche and then making impact in Mexico, well south of the valley. But the thing about it is the bands of moisture will build up the moisture here in the valley, and that's where we'll get our increasing rain chances. So let's look at this on the European model. We'll put the clock in motion starting at 2 a.m. Wednesday. So this is where we start to see that uptick. Most of the day will be dry. I can't rule out a spotty shower or two. By Thursday, however, I'm bumping up those rain chances to about 50% of the valley getting a shower or thunderstorm, because notice that green really starts to invade the valley. And then we see declining rain efforts after that because of this upper level high pressure system bringing a lot of dry and stable air back to the valley, reinforcing the dry weather and of course the heat just in time for the weekend. So we do have rain chances, but they will be short-lived. For you boaters, keep in mind with this system well to our south, we will still see some choppy bay waters out there mainly because of the wind today. But over the next couple of days, expect rough surf as Tropical Storm Franklin will make its way into Mexico by Thursday. Seas will average 2 to 4 feet, but there is that small craft advisory for the offshore waters until 9 o'clock this morning, so be safe out there. Here we go, 100 degrees, breezy and hot, feeling like 105 to 110 this afternoon. 79 will be your overnight low, back to 100 tomorrow, mainly dry. We start to introduce those rain chances. That brings us down out of triple-digit heat by midweek to 98. Bump up the rain chances even more on Thursday, brings us closer to 94. Nice little break. 96 by Friday. However, we take away those rain chances. We bring back the heat just in time for the weekend. High temperatures in the upper 90s, near 99. Your overnight lows will stay in the upper 70s. And that's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.